everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to go over some 15 minutes of pure abs, suitable for beginners and intermediate because you can certainly modify everything. So let's get started. So let's lie down. Oh, why's my phone there? Let's move it out of the way, make sure it's on silent. So let's lie down. Let's take an inhale through the nose. Exhale, pull the belly in. So lower back now goes into the mat. So without the pelvis moving, inhale to lift the left leg into tabletop. Exhale, right leg into tabletop. Lower back into the mat. Inhale, left leg down. Exhale, right leg down. We're just warming up the abs. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, left leg. Inhale, right leg down. Keep the pelvis nice and still. Exhale, left leg. Let's go for one more. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, right leg. Imagine you've got a grape under your lower back and you're squashing it the whole time. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, right leg. Let's keep the core engaged and let's straighten out the legs. So let's take the right leg into tabletop, make sure the belly's engaged. Right leg up towards the ceiling, turn the toes slightly out away from you and the thigh out away from you. So now imagine drawing a circle on the ceiling. Let's go to the right. For 1, 2. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in, lower back into the mat. 3. Keep the hips nice and still. 4. Have a look at the hips, make sure they're nice and still. 5. Let's reverse the circle. For 1. And remember, if this is easy, you're doing it wrong, keep that leg nice and straight, keep that external rotation. 3, meaning the thigh is just turning away from you, so the hip is turning away from you. 4. Bend the knee, leg back onto the floor. So left leg, bend the knee, abs are in, straighten that leg, externally rotate, turn the thigh away from you. Let's go to the left for 1. Keep pulling the belly in, ease the lower back into the mat. It should be, the hip should be nice and still. 3, 4, 5, let's reverse it. For 1, keep the shoulders relaxed. 2, don't hold the breath. 3, 4, 5, bend the knee, put the leg back onto the mat. So single leg sit-ups. So you might come to there, that might be enough for you, or you might come all the way up, try not to use momentum. Keep changing legs. So if you're intermediate, you're definitely going to come up that little bit higher. Beginner, you can just come here, lift the shoulders off the mat. Make sure you feel like your abs are really working. Exhale to lift. Let's go for 10 more. For 1. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do one more because I want to end on that left leg because I've got a bit of OCD. I want to do even amount either side. Little secret that I've got OCD, not really. So let's go into obliques. So take an inhale. Exhale, pull the belly in, one leg at a time into tabletop. So you can keep the legs still, hands behind the head, and just lift the shoulders up and over. Or let's bring in the leg, left leg straightens, lift that left shoulder up and over. You're looking at the thighs the whole time. There's 2. Nice and slow, concentrate on really keeping the abs in and the hips nice and still. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the left leg straight, right leg bent. Let's go for 8 reps. For 1, keep coming over to that right side. 2, so you're lifting the left shoulder. 3, 4, feet can be on the mat, you can just be doing upper body. 6, 7, 8, change over, right leg straight, left leg in tabletop. Let's go for 1, 2. This should be really challenging. If it's not challenging, I guarantee you're doing this move wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what's coming. We're going to alternate. Let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to 20, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and down. Abs should really be hurting, but you should equally be feeling just generally glad to be alive. So take an inhale, exhale, belly in. Single leg stretch, one leg at a time into tabletop, lower back into the mat, hands onto the hamstrings. Let's lift our head and shoulders, pull the belly in. Adjust the leggings if you need to. Right knee into the chest, 2 pulses, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, hips stay nice and still. Upper body stays nice and still. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's end with the left knee in towards the chest. So no movement in the pelvis. We're going to inhale, kick it up, flex the foot, exhale down. So just the right leg coming up and down. Hand can be behind the head if you get any neck pain. Head and shoulders can be down the whole time. So you can be like this. Point the toe up, flex down, don't let the body rock back. Let's go for 3 more. Last one. Single leg stretch again, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's end up with the right knee in. Point the toes, the left leg lifts, flex the foot, come down. Really concentrate on keeping the hips and the body nice and still. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Remember, head and shoulders can be down, belly is in. Let's go for 4 more for 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring the knees in and drop the head. Just have a little rock from side to side. And then bring your feet back to the mat. So let's go into single leg drops. So this is the modification. Legs are bent. You're going to tap the foot forward and down. Don't be doing this. You're going to tap forward and down. It's not just the knee bending. Or you can do the whole exercise. So point the toes. Pull the belly in. So you're going to inhale to lower the left leg towards the mat. Inhale down. Exhale up. Right leg. Only one leg moving at a time. Inhale down. Exhale up. Let's add that external rotation. Toes out, heels together, thighs are turning out to the side. So really working into the thighs as well. So again, you're going to either stay here or you're going to be doing this. Tap down and lift. Only one leg moving at a time, not both. Let's go for 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pulling the belly and lower back into the mat. 6, 7. Abs should feel nice and tense. 8, 9, 10, and up. Again, hugging the knees in. Oh, do you hear my voice shaking? My voice was shaking a little bit then. So let's butterfly the legs. So just have the soles of the feet together and the knees apart. So bring the arms behind you. Inhale, exhale up. That might be enough, or you might be able to come all the way up for 1, 2. Try not to lift the feet off the mat. 3, 4, 5. Again, you might be here, just lifting the shoulders. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to go for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. So let's go into some star abs with a little hug in at the end. So we're going to rock up. We're going to find our balance. So we're going to end up with this each time. So you're going to round the back. So you're going to lower down, come into a star position, head stays off the mat, and come up. You're going to lower down and come up. So this might be your modification. Hands might be on the mat. You're going to open the legs and come up. Open the legs and come up. So let's go for 10. So either full star abs, 2 or hands on the mat, 3, 4, hug the knees in, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then let's roll all the way down with control. Abs should be really feeling this. Let's take a little stretch. So hands out to the side, turn the palms up, bend the knees, put the feet on the mat. Just move the knees side to side. Let's just release the lower back. Keep the shoulders relaxed, keep the core relaxed now because you're just doing a stretch. Let's go for a couple more each side. That beeping is my watch alarm that I haven't worked out how to turn off yet. I'm not very tech savvy. And then let's go into some rollback. So come up. So imagine that you're sitting against a wall. So your spine is nice and straight. You're going to bend the knees, put the feet on the mat. So bring the arms up, drop the shoulders, keep them relaxed. So take an inhale, exhale, roll back. Curve the spine and pull the belly in. And use the core to come up. Inhale, exhale back. Pull the belly in and come up. Inhale, exhale back. So don't go back as much if you're a beginner. Make sure the lower back stays off the mat. Make sure you're using the abs to come back up and down. It should be feeling pretty challenging on the abs. Let's go for 2 more. So really pulling the core in. And then let's add a challenge here. So you might go back a little bit and be doing the arms. You might go back a little bit more. Scissor the arms for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come up. Let's add some more challenge. So hands can be back here to help support you. We're going to lift the legs into tabletop. So take an inhale, exhale, pull the belly in, roll back. Shoulders are relaxed, pulling the belly in. To create that flat stomach, you're pulling the belly button in towards the spine. You're engaging your transverse abdominals, which acts like a belt all around the stomach. Let's get on. I'm keeping you here, holding back. Your abs are burning. Left leg into tabletop. Tap it down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. I always see people speeding this up because I want to get it over and done with. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Come up. We've got one last little challenge. Let's take the hands behind the head. So keep the elbows wide. So take an inhale, exhale, belly in, roll back, and come up. So you've taken the weight of the hands higher, so it will be a little bit more difficult. So inhale, exhale back, pull the core in. So now let's add a twist. So inhale, twist only the torso over to the right. Inhale, center, twist to the left, center, and come up. Straighten the legs. Place the hands behind you. Fingers facing forward, open the chest, take an inhale, exhale, belly in, lift. And you're trying to create a nice straight line between ankles, knees and hips, keeping the chest open. And down, let's go for 2 more. Inhale, exhale up. One leg can be bent like so, placing the foot on the mat to help you a little bit there. Last one. Exhale, lift. Pull the belly in and come down. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, forward. Keep the back long, keep the neck long. Don't collapse here. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And then start to come up. We are almost done. Let's just go to the roll up. So modify, legs are straight. So the modification is you're going to roll back to the point where you know you're not going to fall and you can come back up using the abs. We're all going to go for that stretch forward. Or doing the roll up. We're going for 5. So arms go behind you, inhale, exhale, lift. Peel off the mat, don't use momentum, stretch forward. Let's go back again. So you're either going to hover here and then come forward or go all the way back. Inhale, exhale, lift. Nice and smooth without lifting the feet. Stretch forward, there's 2. Pulling the belly in. 3. These roll-ups are challenging. 4. 5. Let's finish with side plank, because why would we not? Let's spin around on the mat. So you can definitely keep the knees bent. You can have that hand there to push you up. You can even extend the arm, or we can move on a little bit. So if you're a beginner, I'd keep the knees bent, or straighten out the legs, stack the feet, elbow under the shoulder. So you're either here, lifting the hips with the knees down, or straighten the legs. So we're going to take an inhale. My feet are not on the mat. Exhale, lift. Arm goes up, pull the belly in. We're going to hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Other side. So bend the elbow, place the forearm, elbow under the shoulders, bend the knee or straighten the legs. Inhale, exhale, lift. Arms are straight, pull the belly in, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, and well done. That was just a very quick little pure abs session. So you could do it again if you want to work a little bit harder. You could add it onto one of my other videos. What would be perfect now is to head over and do a little stretch video. I'm actually a bit out of breath. I'm having one of those days. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe. I'm thinking about doing a little about me video soon, just because it's a bit strange when you watch people and you do the videos a lot and you don't really get to know them. So I might do a little 5-minute video just talking a little bit about myself, which I feel a little bit unsure about, but I'm thinking about it. I don't know what that face was. I don't know. Anyway, have a great day or great evening, whatever it is you're doing. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, maybe do one of my other videos, and I will see you soon.